Hello everyone. Today let's see how we can use if function in Excel. So this function test is a condition. If the condition is met, it is considered to be true. If the condition is not met, it is considered as a false. Okay. So I have already created a table and there are 4 columns in this table. First is name, sales, target and result. So if the sales met to the target, then the result is true. If the sales not met to the target, then the result will be false. So let's see how we can use if function for this. So going to use if, select the cell. If cell is greater than, that means if the cells is greater than or equal target, and we have a target is this, then that means we achieve the target, right? That means we achieved the, sorry for the capital, that means we achieved the target, right? If we didn't meet the target, that means we didn't get the or achieve the target, right? So not achieved, right? Close the parenthesis, press enter. Okay, as you can see here, target didn't meet the sales didn't meet the target here, because the sales is 2000 and the target is 3000. That means we didn't achieve the target here, right? Let's drag and drop here. So I'm going to use drag and drop here. Okay, here you can see we get the or we achieve the target, right? Because sales has been 7000 and the target is 6000 only. So that means the condition is true, right? That means we achieve the target, right? Again, here the condition is false because we didn't achieve the target, because the target is 4000 and sales has been 3000 only. So the result is not achieved. Okay, let's see how we can use this here. If, sorry, if sales is greater than or equal target, that means we sorry for this, that means we achieve the target, right? And if didn't meet to the target, that means we didn't achieve the target. So not achieved, right? So let's do it. So you can see the formula how we can use here, right? Okay, let's see the other example. In the other example, I'm going to find out the commission. So we have the same table in the other example. So I'm going to find out the commission here. If we we achieve the target, then we will get 10% commission. If we didn't get or we didn't match to the target, then we will get the 5% commission, right? So I'm going to use formula here. So if select the cell is greater than or equal to target, right, then the commission on cell will be how much? 10%. Okay, if we didn't achieve the target, then commission will be 5% only. Okay, press enter. As you can see, we got the 50% commission on the sales because we didn't achieve the target here. Let's drag and drop here. As you can see, we got the 600 commission on the 6000 sale. That means we got the 10% commission on 6000 sales because here we achieved the target, right? Again, we got the 100 commission because we didn't get the didn't get the target, or we didn't achieve the target here. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to see the formula, then I can show you. Okay, so this is the formula here, and I'm going to use comma, and so that it will be visibly for you. Okay, thanks for watching this video.